Foundation lifting using the push pier method. Once we prove the foundation settlement is the problem and the area of settlement has been determined, a soils report and engineered plans are created before our crew can begin the repair. The following will provide a basic understanding of how push piers work. 3 foot by 3 foot holes are excavated to expose the bottom of your footing in the area of settlement, generally 5 feet apart along the perimeter of your home's foundation. Depending on access, we will dig with a small excavator. On jobs with less than 6 piers, we usually dig by hand. The footing will now be prepared for the pier bracket installation. The concrete is shaped and smooth to accept a bracket. Each bracket is fit and securely fastened to your footing using specialty bolts. Once brackets are installed, we can start the pier installation process. A 10,000 psi pump is used to ensure each pier is driven to bedrock. Multiple sections are driven until we reach the desired depth. Every pier is load tested to ensure load-bearing capacity. The process is repeated until all piers are installed. When all piers are installed, they are connected with lift cylinders on each pier bracket to a patented manifold lift assembly that regulates the amount of lift. Pressure is applied against the pipe, and the lift process begins as hydraulic pressure is applied to each cylinder as needed to lift your foundation slowly back to where it belongs. The brackets are then locked in place and cylinders removed. The brackets and piers remain in place to safely stabilize your foundation from further settlement. Sometimes a specialty polyurethane foam is used to fill the gaps. Other times, we use concrete. Once this is completed, all the holes are backfilled and compacted. You'll never see the piers again. Your project is now completed, and your home is level again. Walkways, patios, and plants can be replaced after final inspection.